I love a good caprese sandwich. I've got fresh basil in my garden, and I'm going to show you how to make one. I'm starting with ciabatta. You can use any kind of crusty bread or baguette. French bread, Italian bread. I like ciabatta. I made a pesto from my fresh basil, put it in the blender, added a little olive oil, and some mayo. Now I'm spreading this pesto on the slices. Lightly brushing with some olive oil. I'm adding some Spanish olive, fresh tomato. A little balsamic vinegar. Fresh basil leaves. And some fresh mozzarella. Popping the ciabatta slices in to the toaster oven. And I'm going to do one toast cycle. Oh, mozzarella's nicely melted. Just a little ground pepper. A caprese sandwich is a wonderful thing fresh, but even better done in the toaster oven. There are all these wonderful ingredients. The pesto, the basil leaves, the Spanish olives, the tomato, and the mozzarella are blended together by melting just on the toast setting, which is about, for my oven, 4 minutes. Great for a picnic. Give the sandwich a try and buy my Pop It in the Toaster Oven cookbook, which you can buy anywhere. 250 recipes, easy, delectable, and nutritious. Delicious.